Hello everyone, I'm Shannon and welcome to our introduction and inspiration video for the July 2024 Hero Studio release. In this video, I will cover all 6 subscription options: the card kit of the month, the fancy dies of the month, the clear set and dies of the month, cling of the month, layering stencils of the month, and the whole studio, all 5 subscriptions in one. Let's start things off with the July card kit of the month. The July card kit includes Victorian Seaside Clear Stamp Set, 22 coordinating dies, Sandcastle Fancy Dies, Rock Cling Stamp Set, Victorian Seaside Reactive Palette Ink Pad, 2 sheets of Map Hero Transfers, 2 sheets each of blue, purple, green vellum, and 2 sheets each of white lava holographic and white rainbow holographic cardstock. Now let's take a closer look at these items, starting off with the Victorian Seaside Reactive Palette Ink Pad. This comes with 5 reactive inks: Berry Smoothie, Taffy, Lemon Drop, Pool Party, and Blue Raspberry. Use this palette to stamp colorful gradations for your beach scenes. And speaking of beach scenes, the included Victorian Seaside Clear Stamp Set is perfect for creating coastal scenes that capture the charm of a Victorian beach holiday. This set includes 22 coordinating dies that cut out every single sentiment on the set and almost all the images. Use these images to create picturesque scenes of seaside promenades with majestic lighthouses, sailboats, and charming beach huts. The included ink pad is perfect for inking up the sky stamp to create sunset skies, or for the ocean for creating beautiful pool crystal clear waters. Use the scene building stamps like the sky, ocean, and foreground to really establish your scene, and then have fun filling it with all the other incredible images like the lighthouse, the children, the boat or the ships, or even those adorable little beach houses. And don't forget about all the amazing sentiments like this fun one, Seize the Day. Experiment with different color combos to change the mood and feeling of your scene. Or, instead of a silhouetted look, try selective inking to ink up your elements in different colors. Or, of course, this collage look is such a beautiful and unique way to change up the look of your scene. The next product included in the kit is the Sandcastle Fancy Dies. This 5-piece die set is perfect for creating a stunning focal point for your card. Pair with colored cardstock for a clean, modern design. Or add texture and dimension with embossing powder or ink blending for a dramatic effect. The next product included in the kit is this Rock Cling Stamp. Use this 6x6 rubber cling for creating gorgeously textured backgrounds, or make it the star of your card by watercoloring the images in with Hero Art's liquid watercolors. Next up, we have the Map Transfers. You get 2 6x8 transfer sheets with this historical map design. These transfers make beautiful backgrounds or use them as accents to your card designs. Also included in the kit are these 6 sheets of vellum paper. You have 2 green sheets, 2 purple sheets, and 2 blue sheets. All the sheets are 5.5 by 8.5. And lastly, in addition to the vellum, you have 4 holographic sheets, 2 white lava and 2 white rainbow, perfect for adding that shimmer and shine to your projects. Now that we've looked at the entire contents of the July card kit of the month, let's move on to our other subscriptions, our monthly minis, starting off with our July Fancy Die of the month. This cover plate die set includes a beautiful cloudy background die, as well as a hot air balloon, kite, and single cloud dies. Use the clouds frame die cut panel for backgrounds or shaker cards. The leftover cloud negatives could be used independently or popped back into the frame to change the look. Try pairing the clouds die cut with an ink blended panel or colored cardstock to create striking backgrounds, and then add the perfect accent with the smaller dies included in the set. Next up is the July Clear Stamp Set and Dies of the Month, which is the Mermaids and Seahorse set. This 4x6 clear stamp set with coordinating dies has an enchanting classical mermaid theme. Images in this set include 2 beautiful mermaids, detailed seahorses, a fish, and even scene-building elements like seaweed and rocks. The coordinating dies cut out almost every image, with the bubbles being the only exception, and there are even dies for all 4 sentiments. This set is a delight to color with your favorite coloring medium, allowing you to bring the enchanting underwater world to life. Next up is the July Cling of the Month, which is the Tentacles Bold Prints set. This 6x6 red rubber background cling stamp features a captivating design of curling and intertwining tentacles. Combine this background stamp with a variety of mediums and techniques, from ink blending to metallic sprays to alcohol markers, to create a wide range of bold and dramatic looks perfect for the focus of your card. Or even try a tone-on-tone look for more subtle backgrounds. And our last monthly mini is the July Layering Stencil of the Month, the Color Layering Fish. This 4-piece stencil set allows you to create a charming scene of colorful schools of fish. Play with blended gradations and color palettes to create a variety of different looks. Make the design your own by adding highlights and details, or combine with texture mediums like Hero Glitter Paste to add sparkle and dimension. And now we are on to our final subscription option, the Whole Studio. The Whole Studio includes all 5 of the monthly subscriptions in one glorious and discounted buy. This collection includes the entire July Card Kit of the Month, which we covered at the beginning of this video, the July Fancy Die of the Month, Clouds and Balloons, the July Clear Plus Dies of the Month, Mermaids and Seahorses, the July Cling of the Month, Tentacles, and the July Layering Stencils of the Month, Color Layering Fish. And that completes our closer look at the July Hero Studio Card Kit of the Month, the 4 monthly minis, and the July Whole Studio. Be sure to check out our blog hop today celebrating this incredible release, packed with even more inspiration from the creative team and special guests. You can find that inspiration as well as pick up your July Hero Studio products at heroarts.com. And as a reminder, the Card Kit of the Month, the monthly minis, and the Whole Studio are limited in supply, so once we sell out, we are out, and products will not be restocked. Sign up for your subscription today to guarantee your kit, receive special discounts, as well as free shipping on your subscriptions. Thank you so much for spending some time with us today.